Grote Industries is proud to present XTL LED technology, the most extremely thin, extremely flexible, and extremely durable LED light strip on the market today. To add 3 lights around the bed of your truck, follow these instructions. To start your install, here's what you need. The XTL light strips, 4 pre-cut strips of 3M tape to secure the strips, a 12-foot splitter harness, 20 feet of double conductor wire, on-off switch with indicator LED, fuses, connectors, and tie wraps. You'll also want a clean cloth and isopropyl alcohol or cleaning solution to clean the install surfaces, along with a multimeter, socket, and ratchet for removing the taillight assembly and wire crimpers. After inspecting the package contents and gathering tools, it's recommended to do a test layout in the bed of your truck. This allows you to find obstructions and wire hazards before installing. Now you're ready to install the 3M tape to the back of the XTL light strips. Turn the strip over to the back side, take your 3M tape, remove the clear liner from the back, press firmly in the center of the strip to assure a solid seal. Next, prep the surface of your truck to get solid adhesion. Now you're ready to install your light strip to the surface of your vehicle. First, remove the red coating on the 3M tape to expose the adhesive material, and then find the location of where you'd like the strip to go. Gently place to make sure you're happy with its location, and then press firmly along the length of the strip to ensure a seal with your vehicle. It's really that easy. Now you're ready to run the power switch for your harness installation. The switch has an LED indicator for locating the switch in the dark. Locate your preferred hole in the back bed of your truck, run the wire into it, and feed it back to the stop-tail turn light. You'll start by removing your stop-tail turn light from the back of your truck. Once the screws are removed, take the lens and pull it free of the truck to get access to the wires of the wiring harness. Once the wire is fed through the hole in the side of the truck, you'll pull it through the back of the stop-tail turn location, giving yourself plenty of wire to work with. To test the connector for the right hot and ground locations, use your multimeter. Once found, you'll need to splice in your fuse link and switch to the wiring harness. Secure the wire into the butt connector, crimp down on the connector, test the connection, and finish the splice with the harness and the switch. Start by placing your harness as shown with a zip tie to hold in place. Do not over-tighten the zip tie as of now. Do this for the length of the harness. Previously, we showed you how to connect to the taillight. Run the power wire back through the same hole as the on-off switch to connect to your harness. There are 2 ways to wire the on-off switch. Method 1 has the blue indicator on when the lights are on. Method 1 is good in the cab as a reminder that lights are on. Method 2 has the blue indicator on anytime power is present to the switch. Method 2 is good to help find a switch in the dark. How you wire is a matter of personal preference. By now, you most likely have your harness wired to the side and front of the bed. You also have your light strips in place. Now, with the bullet connector on the strips and the receivers on the harness, simply plug them together. Power the ignition to auxiliary, press the on button on the switch. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Grote XTL LED light strips on your truck.